Okay, so I wanted to do a video on replacing the instrument cluster on a 2013 Chevy Malibu because I've looked online, I've looked on YouTube, and I couldn't find any. And it's not easy to take out and put back in, so I wanted to make this video because it was hard for me to do so. And, you know, if you can, it could save you a lot of money. So this was a long process for me. I will tell you first, and then I'll get into details later about everything I went through. But first, the way I had to get mine fixed, and the easiest way is if you can get this out, which I'll show you how to do, you can then send this instrument cluster into Circuit Board Medics. You can go to circuitboardmedics.com. It costs $150 plus shipping, so it wound up being like 175 bucks. And if you were to get the dealer to do this from start to finish, it would be like, I've heard $800 quoted, $900 quoted. I did call the dealer after I had it all apart, and I asked them what I would have to do to get a new cluster, and they basically said it would be about 400 bucks. But that's because I had everything already apart, and all I was going to do was order one that GM was going to program, then ship to the dealer. Dealer was going to program again to pair to my car, and then I was going to put everything back together. So they weren't going to charge me for all the labor to do the assembly and reassembly. So it was going to be at least 400 bucks, and that's if it was everything myself, and it could be as expensive if you went straight dealer as like 800 or 900. So I didn't want to spend that much. So I guess I'll start now with how to get this thing out. And it was a trial by error thing for me, and I finally figured it out. So we'll go there. I'll flip the camera if I can.